Ever found yourself a little short on cash right before payday, with an unexpected bill or urgent expense popping up? We've all been there. That feeling of dread when your bank account looks a bit too lean and your next salary is still days away. In those moments, a quick financial boost can feel like a lifeline. But what if you could access a portion of your earned wages before your official payday, without the headaches of traditional loans or hefty interest rates? That's where services like Beforepay come into play, offering a modern solution to an age-old problem. They've gained significant traction by providing an alternative to traditional lending, focusing on early wage access rather than high-interest loans. But the burning question for many is, how much can you actually get from Beforepay, and what's the catch? Let's dive right in. Beforepay allows eligible users to access an advance on their pay. The maximum amount you can typically cash out with Beforepay is up to $2,000. However, it's crucial to understand that this isn't a guaranteed amount for everyone. Your individual cash-out limit is determined by several factors, and it's not a one-size-fits-all figure. So, what influences how much Beforepay will offer you? Think of it like this: Beforepay uses a smart algorithm to assess your financial situation. They look at your income, your regular pay cycle, whether you get paid weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, your spending habits, any existing debts you might have, and your repayment history with Beforepay itself. For new customers, the initial cash-out limit will likely be lower, often ranging from $50 to $1,000. This makes sense. They need to establish a relationship with you and see your repayment behavior before increasing your access. As you consistently make successful repayments, your limit can gradually increase over time. It's a dynamic system, meaning your limit can even change with each new cash-out request, as it's constantly recalculated to align with your current financial circumstances. Now, let's talk about the cost. Unlike traditional loans with interest, Beforepay operates on a fixed fee model. They charge a 5% fixed transaction fee on the amount you cash out. This means if you borrow $100, the fee is $5, and you repay a total of $105. If you borrow $500, the fee is $25, and you repay $525. There are no hidden fees, no interest, and no late fees. This transparency is a key selling point for many users. Repayments are designed to be flexible and align with your pay cycle. You can choose to repay the advance in up to 4 installments, as long as the full repayment is made within 62 days from your cash-out date. The repayments are automatically debited from your connected bank account. You also have the option to repay early or, if needed, delay a repayment once per cash-out, right from within the app. To be eligible for Beforepay, you generally need to meet a few key criteria. You must be at least 18 years old and an Australian resident. You need to earn a minimum income of at least $300 after tax each week, and your pay must be deposited directly into your account on a regular schedule, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. Importantly, your salary needs to come from an employer and not be predominantly made up of government benefits like Centrelink, which can't make up more than 50% of your income. Beforepay does not perform traditional credit checks that impact your credit score, but they do conduct their own risk assessment based on your financial behavior. In essence, Beforepay offers a quick and convenient way to bridge the gap between paydays, providing access to your earned wages with a clear, fixed fee structure. It's not a solution for large, long-term financial needs, but for those times when you need a relatively small amount to cover an unexpected expense, it can be a valuable tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.